misinformation, pseudoscience, misleading claims. Instructors continually ask students to sift through these. Macmillan Learning's immersive critical thinking activities help them to do just that. For each psychology title, the authors provide immersive critical thinking activities that ask students to sharpen their critical thinking skills. By interpreting data, reviewing case studies, or playing the role of researcher or subject, all in the context of basic psychology principles. The neuroscience and action activities serve as interactive simulations that allow students to engage in the processes and phenomena that they read about in the book. Each activity begins with a brief overview. In this particular activity called Evolutions of Brains and Behavior, students will learn how specific brain and nervous system structure evolved to regulate similar behavioral functions in various animals, including humans. Students are then given an in-depth look into the content they're learning about. In this case, students are introduced to the brains of all vertebrates and the cerebellum. Students are then asked to watch a brief video to observe the relationship between movement and cerebellum activity. An open-ended question allows students to give a brief answer to a question related to the activity. Students are provided with immediate feedback on their response so they can understand the activity before moving forward. Students are then introduced to a second interactive activity. In this case, students are asked to use the activity to help visualize parallels in brain organization between vastly different mammalian species. Students are also able to click on key terms to remind themselves of definitions so that they can apply this understanding to the simulated research study. A brief quiz is given at the end of the second interactive activity to test the students' knowledge, and immediate feedback is given to ensure their understanding of the concepts within the interactive activity. Achieve for Psychology, engaging every student, supporting every instructor, setting the new standard for teaching and learning.